Assalamu alaikum. My name is Misbah Sheikh. I joined Prosperity Academy in AS. I joined their May June crash course, and I tell you guys, it was a properly planned crash course. It was so helpful. First thing, it was online. We were able to take all the lectures conveniently because they engaged all of us. And then even if we missed a class, we were able to watch the recorded lectures, which were compiled topic wise very properly, very conveniently. We were able to access them. Then they made us do all the tricky and difficult questions, which made us realize and understand the pattern of the questions. It made me confident in what I was doing. Then lastly, they provide us with the topic wise worksheets, which contain all those repeating questions and difficult questions. It was very useful. My experience with Prosperity Academy was great. I would recommend all my juniors to join them because they made it easy for me to grasp all the concepts. So thank you so much, Prosperity Academy.